I was always really inspired to work in wildlife conservation, and Deakin offered this amazing opportunity to study zoology and animal science, and I thought, gotta give my passion a real crack, and haven't looked back.
Our zoology course is preparing our students for working in the real world. We take our students out into the field to survey animals. Our students have practical experience through lab work. Some of that could be computer-based, looking at simulations, or it could be looking at animal behaviour as it occurs in real time.
Through Deakin Abroad, I was able to do 2 overseas placement units. The first one, I worked at a game reserve in South Africa. Would observe the lions, elephants, rhinos in their natural habitat. And my last placement in Indonesia at the Orangutan Information Centre, being able to apply that theory that we learned from uni to look at those animals anatomically. It's been such an amazing experience.
There's so many exciting opportunities through Deakin to get in the field. The fact that I did my honours and research out here led to the role that I have now. Odinata Foundation is responsible for a range of sanctuaries across Victoria and the southwest region. My job shifted from surveying our property for predators towards trying to make sure that we have the best possible ecosystem. Deakin was integral, setting me up with the skills in networking as well as writing and researching. I was the only one in our organisation that had that background. It really placed me in a great spot to carry out a lot of our project proposals and research work.
Zoology graduates will go on to working as eco-consultants. They might go on to work as surveyors. We have people who have gone in to work as data analysts or park rangers for Vic Parks.
I have to kind of pinch myself that this is actually the job that I do. The fact that I've landed my dream job directly having this really positive impact on these populations. I have Deakin to thank for a lot of that.